everyone, Captain Mark. Today we have the Fog RX Insect Fogger, the Mosquito Beater. And this is by Bondi. So it quickly wipes out insect population, leaving insect-free environment for plants, people, and pets. You can use it in and around gardens, ornaments, flowers, roses, trees, shrubs, and anywhere that bugs hide. It's great for using around your barbecue grill, camping, gardening, picnics, beach parties, painting, fishing, and yard parties. Anywhere that you need to keep the mosquitoes away. It ultimately lasts 4 to 6 hours for long time insect free. And here we have the spray tip, the coil assembly, coral wire basket, the insecticide vessel. You have the igniter, the trigger lock, the handle, and of course the trigger. You have the propane gas cylinder, the propane fuel valve. I'm going to fill up the insecticide vessel and put on a propane tank and show you folks how you do safe fogging in your yard and give you some little techniques that help deter the mosquito population. It's been working pretty good for me now for the last couple weeks. So let's get to this. Hi everyone. So I'm going to be showing you how to get this ready to start fogging, to get the mosquitoes out of here. You can see them getting bit up. First thing we want to do is take the tank off the fogger and add some of our Mosquito Beater Flying Insect Fogger. It's a liquid with an oil base. You have to make sure you get the right stuff. Pour a little in there. There we go. Put that up. Put this on. And it's easier if you just lay it down flat and spin it on. It goes on so much easier than messing with it. Next, we want to put our propane tank on. Slide it in there. Twist until it stops. Very simple. And there we go. So we turn on the gas, turned on lightly. Here is the trigger, and ignites. Doesn't take very long for it. Takes about a minute for it to start warming up, and we'll start fogging here, and the mosquitoes are gonna hit the road real quick when I start doing that. So anyways, I want to show you the proper technique actually for laying down the fog for getting rid of the mosquitoes and actually making it more efficient for your chemicals being laid down. As you can see, it's starting to squirt out, and that's what it's supposed to do. So let's go over here. Attention to the wind direction is very important. There we go, now we're puffing. As you can see, the fog really lays down a pretty good path and covers a wide area here, so you won't have to worry about putting down too much. I like to go around the perimeter, especially around all the shrubs and everything, because that's where the mosquitoes lie, underneath the leaves of stuff. Unlike underneath here, they're hiding out underneath the table. Here we're going to lay down the fog to show you how it works with the trees. You want to get into shrubs, go in an upward motion. This thing really puts out the fog. It's amazing. Get all your shrubs, get all your branches. They like to hang out in the rocks. But you want to go in an upward motion and lay it into the shrub so it gets them out of the shrubs, because they like to hide in there. And the brush, the weeds. You don't have to do the grass. You can if you want. It's a little windy today. So that's my review on the 420 Fog RX Propane Insect Fogger. I purchased it on Amazon for $77.54, and I'll leave that link down below. This item worked out pretty good. The device put out a lot of fog, made a nice big patch, so it covers a lot of area. It's a little temperamental though warming up, so you got to get used to it. You got to wait long enough. It can be a little tricky there, but once it warms up, it just purrs like a kitten. So I'm going to be giving this a Captain Mark 4-star review. So if you think the information was useful in helping you purchase this fogger or any of the other items on my channel, why don't you give me that thumbs up? And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below. And hit the bell to my left or to your right to catch more upcoming videos that I have. So this is Captain Mark saying Happy 4th of July, and thank you so much for watching.